everyone, welcome to Best Topic Show channel. In this video, I want to talk about how to quickly get rid of stress. Number 1. What does stress do to our bodies? Stress affects each of our body organs, including the stomach and intestines. A significant percentage of patients experience some form of stress-related issues, encompassing hormonal problems, menstrual issues, menopause, blood sugar levels, cardiovascular disease, insomnia, and irritable bowel syndrome. How to prevent stress? Instead of trying to manage your stress with medication, it's better to reduce stress by changing your lifestyle. Number 1. Take deep breath. Number 2. Meditate. Number 3. Exercise. Number 4. Start your day with a morning routine. Listen to some soothing music, do some stretching exercises, and read positive content. Performing these simple activities can make a significant difference in your day. Number 5. Avoid checking your mobile phone until at least 1 hour after waking up. Reading negative news early in the morning can ruin your entire day. How to treat stress-induced headaches? When you feel the onset of a stress-induced headache, refrain from quickly resorting to pain relievers like ibuprofen. Instead, consider using the 3-4-5 breathing technique. In this breathing technique, you inhale for 3 seconds, hold your breath for 4 seconds, and then exhale for 5 seconds. By doing this, you activate your body's relaxation response, which can help alleviate the stress-induced headache. How to leave our own stress at the door by the end of the day? Many of us carry a significant amount of stress at the end of the day, and it will bring that stress home with us. It will adversely affect our family members. This is a common source of many divorces and improper child upbringing. If you commute home by car or public transportation, consider listening to calming music or an inspirational speech on your way back. This can significantly help reduce your stress levels and make you feel more relaxed. Unfortunately, many people have the habit of using cigarettes, hookahs, or alcohol to unwind after work. While these may provide temporary relief, over time they can contribute to increased stress levels. When you park your car or step off the bus before entering your home, take a short walk or do some stretching. Stress prompts our bodies to seek physical activity, and it's crucial to remember that the stress response is designed to help us escape from a predator, encouraging movement for safety. Therefore, engaging in physical activity before entering your home can greatly assist in reducing stress levels. One common mistake many of us make is sitting idle when we hear bad news. Cortisol levels rise, and without engaging in a specific physical activity, we tend to stay seated and become absorbed in our stress. So, incorporating some physical activity before arriving home can significantly help reduce your stress levels. How to sleep when stressed? One major reason for insomnia is the inability of individuals to quiet their minds at night. Many negative thoughts compete with each other in the evening, precisely when cortisol levels should be lower to allow the body to relax. However, elevated cortisol levels can lead to insomnia. To address this issue, it's crucial to put away your phone, turn off your laptop and television before bedtime. Establishing a nighttime routine similar to your morning routine can be beneficial. For instance, you can meditate with a few candles in a dark room, listen to calming music, or read a book with a reading light. Ensure that you spend at least 15 minutes exposed to sunlight during the day. These simple activities can significantly improve your quality of sleep. Many individuals fail to take action to manage their stress and anxiety, putting themselves in increasingly unfavorable conditions. It's essential to remember that anxiety and stress are easily controllable, and you can effectively keep yourself safe from many illnesses by addressing them proactively. In order not to miss our next videos, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell. Thanks for accompanying me on this video. Bye bye!